name is Nick Gutierrez with MKW, and what you just previewed is MKW's 2012 Truck Series wheel collection. MKW has added 3 new styles this year. That's a total of 9 styles of wheels to choose from for your truck today. MKW offers wheels from 15-inch all the way up to 22-inch. Many different finishes, many different sizes of course, and many different offsets are available today. Please feel free to visit our website for more information. And stay tuned as we will be uploading many more new videos. Again, my name is Nick Gutierrez with MKW Alloy, and thank you for watching this video.